Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Did you know that there's a government grant for $1,000 for independent contractors and gig workers? That's me. I'm a VIPKID teacher. I employ myself. I own 100% of my business and I'm an independent contractor, right? Technically, VIPKID is my employee and I am the owner of my business. I am an independent contractor. So, today, I'm applying for a $1,000 loan that a lot of VIPKID teachers already applied for on Friday and received by Monday. What? It's true. I researched it, read up on it. Here's the information. Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to read this information to you. We are eligible to get a $1,000 grant from the government. It does not have to be paid back. You can look up the information on Forbes.com if you want to know. A lot of VIPKID teachers have already received this grant. For the name and trade business, you're just supposed to put your name. Nowhere on the application will it say VIPKID because you are the employer. VIPKID is your customer. Your cost of goods is 0. Your number of employees is 1. Make sure you put 1, not 0, because you are self-employed. You have employed yourself. If you put 0, that's not good. Also, on this application, okay, here's some information. On this application, you're eligible for applying for a $10,000 loan, okay? So what you want to do if you're like me and you don't want the loan, okay, you will uncheck the box towards the end of the application. You're just applying for the $1,000 grant. Grants do not have to be paid back. Loans do have to be paid back. If you're in a financial situation that you want to apply for a $10,000 loan that you have to pay back, go for it. But for me, I'm just applying for the grant. There are VIPKID teachers who applied on Friday, already received it on Monday. And so it really is a real thing that we really can apply for. There's also a YouTube video about it that you can watch. This is the information. Meet Lauren, and she has a video all about it. So I just thought I would share this information with you because I know some of my friends that are watching definitely could benefit from an extra $1,000 for your family, right? Pay your bills. Okay. Again, this is called the SBA grant. It's also called the EIDL grant and loan program. So hello friends, the SBA just announced that they are reopening the EIDL grant and loan program. This means the independent contractors, freelancers, and gig workers are eligible to receive $1,000 each. Best of all, it doesn't have to be repaid. There is a $1,000 grant followed by a larger loan offer, which you can entirely reject. This is eligible to freelancers, independent contractors, that's us, ding, 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 sole proprietors, gig workers, architectural business, small business. So if you have a husband who does one of these things as well, he can apply as well, you know, or, you know, anyone, right? Anyone you know that is an independent contractor or any of these things can apply for a $1,000 grant. So yeah. I'm finding out about this in the group called VIPKID, all about taxes. So feel free to join that group for more helpful information. Okay, so this is my comment. I asked for the link because I was looking for it. I wanted to make sure I don't click the wrong link. So this is the link. COVID-19 relief.sba.gov. Okay, so it's going to look like this. Obviously, I'm not going to show you any of my personal information, but applicant is a business that is not more than 500 employees. Right? applicant is not engaged in illegal activity. No one else owns a greater than 50% of my business. I own 100% of it. I'm an independent contractor. Applicant does not present live performances of... No, nothing sexual about our job. We are teachers to children. Innocently. Applicant does not derive more than 1/3 of the gross annual revenue from legal gambling. No, we don't do gambling. We're not lobbying at all. Applicant cannot be a state, local, or we're not government entities. Oops. You'll have to forgive me. My children are climbing all over me. Continue. Okay, so all the VIPKID teachers are saying that the business legal name is your name. The business trade name is your name. So this is going to be your first and last name. This is going to be your first and last name. This is going to be your social security number. Obviously, I'm not going to be showing you my social security number. Okay, so one moment. All right. After the social security number, I scrolled up so you can't see it. Organization type is independent contractor. Is the applicant a non-profit organization? No. Is the application a franchise? No. Gross revenues for the 12 months prior to the date of January 31st, 2020. I consulted the Facebook thread before answering this incorrectly. Your gross revenues for the last 12 months prior to January 31st, that's how much you made with VIPKID. Your cost of goods is 0. This is going to be your address. Both of these dates are going to be when you started with VIPKID. Your business activity is going to be educational services if you work for VIPKID. I chose schools and 1 employee. Next. All of this information is going to be your information. You are 100% the owner because you are an independent contractor. Is your business owned by an entity? No. Oops. No. There we go. Additional information. In the past year, has the business or listed owner been convicted of a felony? No. Is the applicant or any listed owner suspended or barred? No. Are you presently subject to criminal information? No. If anyone assisted you, no one assisted me. I do not need to fill this out. No. Then here you put your bank name, account number, and routing number for it to be direct deposited very soon. I'm not going to show you my information. I hereby certify under penalty of perjury under the laws of the United States that the above are true and correct. It just showed me a summary of my personal information for me to double check that it was correct. And I did double check it, but I'm not going to show you my personal information. Parking meters. That's a parking meter. That's a parking meter. That's a parking meter. And I'm going to verify. I'm not a robot. Woohoo! Application submitted. This is your number. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if this information was helpful for you. And I hope that you too are able to get a $1,000 grant. I hope that's helpful for your family. Have a lovely day.